So we know that we have a global scope and local scope and block scope, right? So if any variable is declared in the global scope or parent scope, then that variable will be accessible throughout all the child scope. And each and every scope is known as a lexical scope. And this whole environment where all the lexical scope resides is known as a lexical environment. And if you declare any variable in the child scope, then that variable will not be accessible to any of the parent scope. So our scope of the variable always flow from top to bottom, from parent to child, but not from the child to parent, right? So here each and every variable is going to be accessible through its all the child scope, and that is known as a scope chain. And whenever we are trying to access any variable that is lexically scoped from the parent, then first our JavaScript engine try to find out that variable in its own block, and if it won't find, then it try to find out in the parent block, and if it's not there, then it's again try to find out parent block, and if it's available there, then it directly getting access from parent block, and that is known as a scope chain resolution.